Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type here CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator, select as. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. Just follow my screen, and now we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully, type in gp update and hit enter. Now we need to wait for a few seconds to complete the process. Once done, type in chkdsk and space c:/ /f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Now simply go to the services tab. So go to search bar, type your services and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out sysman. In my system it's showing sysman. You can also find out for superfetch. So right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as disabled. Click on apply and OK. Again, find out the Windows search. Just scroll down, here it is. Right click on it, open its properties. Again, set startup type as disabled. Then click on apply and then OK. You can also click on stop the service. Once done, just close this window. Now open run. Press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also open it from here. Just right click on the start icon and click on run. Now type your msconfig. Go to services tab, then check this option, hide all Microsoft services, and we need to select all these. Click on disable all, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, we need to restart the system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.